Let's take a look what's going on here in the office today. Yes, sir. A beautiful day. Let's take a look. What's going on, Caitlin? Are you busy? Hey, did you guys see out back? There was a guy out in the back of there taking a printer off. Do you know who that is?
Me right here.
I got you, didn't I?
How'd you doing today?
He's looking like, don't be joking like that. What you trying to do?
Running the surge protector through the...
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Now, Miss Gina said, I don't know if it's true or not, but she guaranteed we could get 15K for this.
Ooh.
What do you think?
I don't know. Hold her to that one.
I mean, we can get some new boards out of it, right?
Hold her
We
to
all
that
can go take a trip,
Yeah.
right? We can book tickets now.
Definitely hold her to that one.
So, Miss Gina, you're hearing that? Come on, Miss Gina.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good week.
Our pleasure. Same to you, man. Thank you.
Morning, Bo. How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Picking up another new truck.
A new truck?
Bought 3 after 6 months of waiting. The delayed payments to June. Can't beat that. That's a crazy setup.
What'd you do to the salesman?
No, it's Ford. Pretty cool deal. They got a big issue going on apparently behind the scenes, so they're making sure everybody's happy. So we'll take that. How we doing in Bowie?
Good. He's gonna cut the curb, take the saw back to Home Depot, come here, get whatever parts he wants to close up the sides of the box.
We can put them adapter caps right in there.
That's what he's gonna come back and grab them.
Okay.
Go back. He's gonna leave his guys there to keep digging, add the extra channel on each side. Should be good. Drill the little holes through so the
Base.
flow, overflow.
Okay. You talk to the homeowner?
No, they weren't there. But Drew showed up and we walked him through everything. So
So you can relay it to them what we're doing.
I mean, we can try and catch as much of that water as we want all day before it gets onto the concrete. The concrete's all facing towards that door. It's all graded that way. I don't know why. It's stupid, but... And we can't just cut out and put a box there either because that's where all the pool equipment, gas, power, Verizon, all the wires feed right there.
All come into there.
So,
Gotcha.
the easiest thing to do would be to pour fresh concrete or something. And
Okay. But for what we can do, we got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the important part. All right. We ready? You want to run over here? Crofton?
Crofton, and then are we taking him to Annapolis?
Yeah. We'll go to Annapolis after that.
Taking me to Annapolis. What, are we going on a date here? Well, you're going to take me to the Iron Rooster, huh?
Irish is good.
Okay,
Does
All right.
Pop-Tarts.
All right. Let's go.
go get a Pop-Tart.
Donnie, how'd your first stop go?
Good.
Good?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we fixed it. 2 head.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but the job's done.
Getting it all cut out.
Yeah.
Gotta get all these leaves out of there.
Yeah. Take this, bring it up.
A lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
And then we should tune up the lights in the irrigation if we can, if anybody's around later.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I think Tom might be out of town, but if not, if you see somebody later, we'll go ahead and tune up the sprinkler and the lights.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All those leaves up underneath the shrubs too. Jonathan? Yep. All those leaves stuck in there. They'd be mulch on top, it makes a mess. So all those leaves gotta be out.
Okay.
You know that way the mulch lays flat.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Lo que pasa que como no habían bolsas, no te hacían bolsas.
Jennifer, you doing good?
Yep.
Told Julio if we see somebody later, let's go ahead and tune up the lights and the sprinkler, okay?
Okay.
Get it all tuned up. Lights, make sure we leave all the lights clean too. When we leave, make sure the lights up and clean off the top after we mulch later. Just walk around all over and check everything.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Hey, video man. It's a video crew.
Hi.
You work for Austin?
No.
No?
No.
Part of the crew? Your shirt says you're part of the crew on the back. I saw it earlier. You're a crew member? Well, it's a, you on a sailing ship? A lollipop?
What are you talking about?
Like you're a lollipop guy.
Is this step one of the stroke he's having?
We don't do this type of work.
That's what I immediately was thinking.
Yep. We're just helping out the
Last thing we
landscaper.
want to do is show that we put mulch down.
Well, we
because
don't mulch.
We don't sell that as a service offering here at TLC Incorporated.
That's correct.
What you see
But I got
here,
a phone call late last night and said, hey, can you help? I said, yeah, we can help. Absolutely.
Dan, blur all of this out because what you see here is not a service offering of TLC.
Dan, don't listen to him.
Blur it all
This
out.
is the life of a contractor. Different
We're
things
not,
you do.
we're not even technically at a job. This is all a figment of Bob's imagination.
We're just getting back from the job site here. See what's going on here with Slater. See how he's doing in here. Uh-oh, he's sitting here in a chair. That's dangerous. Doing all right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I talked to IT.
Chris?
Yeah. Shouldn't be too complicated.
Okay.
As long as everyone's local admin, which looks like they might be. So.
Yeah, Carolyn, will let you get on mine.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Cool.
Good, good.
Yeah. Just waiting on them. That's all.
Okay. All righty. We'll let you be. We're just checking back with you.
Yeah.
Carolyn, you all good? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sure thing.
Appreciate you. All righty. You see that link I sent you? Alrighty, we're going to head down to Annapolis to another job site. Come along with us. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.